Hello friends, now we see subtopic 8 problem number 2, which is also based on factorization method of chapter limits. The problem number 2 is limit extends to 3 x square minus x minus 6 upon x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote given question as a L. So L is equal to limit extends to 3 x square minus x minus 6 upon x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3. Now here, if you observe, the numerator is quadratic equation and the last term is 6, that we have to factorize in such a way that the middle term is minus 1. Now 6 can be written as 3 2s are 6 and the middle we required minus 1. So this minus sign must be goes to greater number, that is 3, and to get answer minus 1 we have to write here plus 2. So the next step will be limit extends to 3. In the numerator, x square minus x minus 6 can be factorized as x minus 3 in one bracket and x plus 2 in other bracket in the numerator. And we write denominator that x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3 as it is. So now this is our cubic expression and that can be factorized by using synthetic division method. So in this method we have to write coefficients of x cube, that is 1, coefficient of x square, that is minus 3, coefficient of x is 1, and finally the constant term, that minus 3. Here we take divisor as a limit terms, that is 3. First of all we write 1 as it is, then 3 multiplied by 1 we get 3. Now minus 3 plus 3, that gives us 0. Again 3 into 0 we get 0. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then 3 multiplied by 1 we get 3. Then 3 minus 3, that gives us 0. Here the last number 0 is our remainder. Therefore the term x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 3 can be factorized as x minus 3 as a one factor, and second factor is x square plus 0x plus 1. So that can be written as x minus 3 and second bracket x square plus 1. Therefore the next step will be L is equal to limit extends to 3. In the numerator we have the term that x minus 3 and x plus 2, and in the denominator we have to write x minus 3 into x square plus 1. Now cancelling x minus 3 from numerator and denominator, we have limit x tends to 3 x plus 2 upon x square plus 1. Since here x tends to 3, therefore x not equal to 3, therefore x minus 3 not equal to 0. It means we cancel x minus 3 from numerator and denominator. So the next step will be is equal to. Now we have to substitute limit as x equal to 3. So we get 3 plus 2 in the numerator upon 3 square plus 1 in the denominator. So that is equal to, now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 3 square 9 plus 1. So that gives 10. And on cancellation that 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we get 1 upon 2. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.